Qeys Qeysar.
They're writing that.
Even girls.
Everyone is commenting that.
Yes, Alia. Even girls. What is this?
Is the name.
Name of who? Your boyfriend. I saw in your story. There is one guy.
Where? My Instagram story?
Yes.
Exposed.
I saw.
Why
Let
are
me
you
see
guys
got
exposing?
engaged. Qeys Qeysar, how are you? You got engaged?
No.
Say wallah.
Hola. YouTube ko korde. Yeah, write that name in YouTube and then you will see
You
him.
went to Maldives with him?
No. They're lying to him, guys. Kula Iqro is engaged and she went to Maldives with that guy.
Yes, very nice.
No.
There is one guy writing from 1 hour. I thought maybe he's writing bad words. Then I said, because the girl also wrote. I said, okay, now good word. I will say to Iqra.
Who is the name?
Last match.
Okay. So why are you showing me that?
Oh. Yes, nice glasses. Yeah.
What do you mean?
Very nice.
Sharan, stop
very
playing.
nice. Very good boyfriend. Very good. Qeysar is watching you.
Guys,
Hi
tomorrow.
Qeysar, how are you?
Sharaz, I will
Guys,
kill
double
you.
tap. What is this? What is he searching? Money inside? I mean,
No, he's
down?
writing something.
Why? He doesn't have paper?
No, he's just writing something.
Very nice. Guys, double tap. Double tap, guys. You recorded all full. Guys, last page, okay? Guys, double tap. Guys, flowers.
Guys, the gift will be doubled right now.
He wrote there in caption, my wife, my beautiful wife. He wrote there in caption.
You wrote that? I didn't
Yes.
see that. I will check when I
He
end the
said,
live.
my beautiful wife, Iqra Al-Batrus. Guys, last time.
Yes, I should do that in Sakore. أنا مسكحة مكاني. وحالي أميش إياه زهيم قرمي سكودة ميسي.
I don't even know that man.
How dare you?
Who is who? Who is it? I don't know him.
Okay, guys, hi Sihim Salam Abu.
For a question, I've already given you answer. Biswara mate. Khalas.
Okay.
I don't know him, guys. So
Yes, who is that?
thank you for the rose. Guys, she win us one game.
Mama wiilka maalma wuxuu bilaabay inuu dhaho afurka badi suxuurtana badi suxuursan ku suucunaya inta lagu arkay wiilkay wuxuu rabaa u karinay mid kale fiyaad xoog uu soo guursaday adoo raayana soo daba gacan sabus ma sheegtay biito suxuurna dooro asaado iskula fiican tahay aan waxa kuugu imaanay wiilka ka soo aan isku ina kunjada ku imaaday ki qoqol ماما حتى محيدة داجيني يعني ماما محيدة داجيني ماما بيديك تميكا الغرفتين إيه ميلكا الغرفتين ميلكا ينتقوا معي ميلكا ينتقوا معي ويلكا أضع عيسو إنو تقوا يا شيخي والله ما يهوز قرس